All right, let's now make sense of shillings and cents in business. The government is seeking to invest in soil mapping to increase both food fodder production. Livestock Principal Secretary Harry Kimtai says the soil testing will help small-scale farmers manage the use of fertilizer, further reducing the cost of agriculture production in the country.
Norway government is seeking to start soil testing and mapping pilot program in Kenya in a bid to increase both fodder and food production. Through a fertilizer program, Norway is seeking to help small-scale farmers identify the nutrient components of their soils to know the type of fertilizer applicable to their soils.
That's fertilizers, it produces emissions, which we want to reduce, but we need fertilizers to produce food. So we need to develop new management of fertilizers, simply use it in a smarter way. With research we can increase production of animal protein, which we need for a growing population, but producing that animal protein in a more sustainable way and reducing climate emissions.
Livestock Principal Secretary Harry Kimtai says this will go a long way in mitigating the effects of drought by practicing group crop husbandry.
Information about our soils, all that will be stored in a database which will be shared to the farmers when they want to start planting. Which crop do they want to plant? They need to interrogate that information and say, if I'm planting sunflower, then what type of fertilizer do I need to use? So all this, the farmer will be able to know when they go to the agrovet, they are able to buy the right fertilizer to use for the right kind of crops. It is through research, it's through soil mapping that we're able to know.
Soil testing is earmarked to enhance prudent use of fertilizer, reducing the cost of food production. Norway is seeking to start the soil testing program in the sub-Saharan region to strengthen the continent's food system.
But when we do the linkages between the Norwegian know-how and the Kenyan know-how, I'm sure that there's a lot of good that can come out of that cooperation.
Terin Jenga, Lunchtime News.